guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Barbie Chatterjee with you guys, and today I'm here with my April favorites, as you can see by the title of the video. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started. But before that, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and click on the notification bell button so that you don't miss any updates whenever I upload a video. And do comment down below what kind of different videos you want, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my ID over here. And yeah, without much blabbering, let's get started. Thing I would like to show you, as it's a makeup favorites. I have a lot of makeup which is my favorite. The first thing is this eyeshadow palette. This is the Beauty Glaze Color Studio eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like. I guess this is a 32 color eyeshadow palette, and please don't mind, I have switched on my fan because it's just too hot right now over here and I cannot sit with makeup on without no fan or anything, so I've switched on the fan. So yeah, this one I had personally got it from a Chinese website, I guess, and I got it for 1200 rupees from there. And you can also get this on Cuffs and Lashes. So these are all the shades. You must have seen me using this palette in all my videos, like almost all of my videos. I also love the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow Extra Spice eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like. But I have already included this in one of my favorites, so I am only talking about this palette today. So the pigmentation in this palette is bombdegree.com. I don't use the shimmer shades of this palette. There are very few shimmer shades in this palette though, but I don't like using shimmer shades from this palette. The matte shades are amazing. The shimmer shades are also decently pigmented, but I am personally more of a matte shade girl. Like, I apply shimmers very rarely, and if I apply any shimmers, I use this palette. Or I have my glitter eyeshadows by Swiss Beauty. So I'll just show you a few of the swatches. This is the dark blue one. I'll swatch the lavender shade for you, the yellow, and let's swatch one shimmer shade. I'll swatch this coppery brown shimmer shade. The shimmers are also decently pigmented. So this is the shimmer shade, the copper one. You can see it's recently pigmented. This is the yellow shade. Next, this is the lavenderish shade. These are just one swipe pigmentation, you guys. And this is the dark blue shade. You can see how beautifully pigmented these are. These are just amazing if you're looking for affordable, good quality eyeshadows. So the next thing I would like to show you is my Swiss Beauty again. My Swiss Beauty. So this is the Swiss Beauty Midnight Sparkle eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like. This is in the shade number 02. So I believe this is available in 2 or 3 shades, and the shade number 2 is which I got. And you can see the color scheme. Oh my god, there are 10 glitters inside the palette, and each glitter is freaking awesome. There is no extra glue. This is a pressed glitter palette, you guys, and this is literally amazing. This is my favorite glitter palette. You just need to have this one palette, and you don't need any other glitter palettes if you like love applying glitter. And this is also affordable because if you want to buy like pressed glitters, Pack also has the single pressed glitters which retail for around 500 or 600 rupees, and they also have a palette of their own in which they include 5 glitter shades which retails for above 1000. So that's pretty expensive. That's not a drugstore price. Like, only 5 pressed glitters and that's above 1000 rupees. Yaar, matlab, what can you say? So Swiss Beauty is a brand which thinks of the customers. Like, see, they are providing, this is only for rupees 500. Like, Pack is also a drugstore brand. I was thinking of getting that, but when I saw this, I was like, no, I am not going to waste my money. I don't want to even try it. I am loving this so much. I'll just show you the swatches. I'll show you the golden one. I'm not properly swatching them. I'm just showing you guys. I'll swatch the orange one for you guys. Oh my god, these are just, and this gray kind of shade. So these are the 3 shades I'm just going to swatch for you guys. So these are shades which you need to pack on a little bit. I like to apply them with my brush and not my fingers. I don't know why, but I think they apply good with brush. So this is not a proper swatch, but these, believe me, I have the red one on my eyes. I'm just coming See, I have the red one and it's absolutely pigmented. So these are the three glitters and these are absolutely amazing. The next thing I have been loving is the Pack Professional Artist Pack Mink Lashes in the number M73. So this is how it looks like. This is the style. So this is kind of tapered towards the end and it's elongated a little bit towards the end, and I absolutely love these lashes. Pack lashes are just so damn good. They are amazing, and this one retails for 375 rupees, and this is a good one if you're looking for an affordable one. And this is a little bit of a dramatic look, like if you like dramatic looks, or if you like, you know, dramatic eyelashes, you can just opt for these are just lovely. I have continuously been using these eyelashes all in almost every look. I have been only using these eyelashes, and the one which I'm wearing right now is again by Pack Cosmetics. This is in the number, yep, it's M75. So these are the lashes which I'm wearing right now. So the next thing which I've been loving is again by Swiss Beauty. Like Swiss Beauty, I am loving Swiss Beauty. Like they are providing good quality affordable stuff, like literally affordable. It's not like 1000 wala affordable like brands claim. We are above 1000 but still we are affordable. I don't know how the hell they are affordable. So yeah, Swiss Beauty, this is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. This one is in the shade 06. So this concealer is amazing. Like if you're looking for one, go ahead. It's affordable, it gives you coverage, though it's not waterproof. But if you're looking for an everyday kind of concealer, or if you're looking for an affordable one, if you're a college going girl, you can definitely go ahead with this concealer. So this is how the concealer looks like. This is exactly my shade. This is the last shade. They have not launched a lot of shades. That's a disappointment. I hope if Swiss Beauty is seeing watching this, they launch a little bit more shades so that darker beauties also get their shades. But yeah, this one is an amazing concealer, because why spend a lot of money when you're getting, and this gives you kind of a medium-ish coverage. If you want a high coverage, you can build this up, although, but I wouldn't recommend building this concealer up. You can just purchase any other high coverage wala concealer, or you can just use any high coverage foundation under your eyes and that will do good. Okay, so the next thing I've been loving is my Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. So this is how it looks like, and this one it is for 150 rupees for 73 grams of product. And this is an amazing moisturizer. This has that very gel-like, non-oily feeling to it, just like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost one. I was just loving it, and that was my holy grail moisturizer. This is my second tub, you guys. Oh my god. So you can see how it looks like. It kind of has that priming kind of effect also. So this is good for oily skin. If you are someone who has a dry skin, then it's good for summers, but I don't think for winter anyone can go for this. Oily skin people can definitely. The next thing I've been loving is again by Swiss Beauty. Like I am a fan of Swiss Beauty. I'm a crazy fan of Swiss Beauty. So this is the Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Primer and Mattifying Loose Powder, and this is an amazing loose powder. Like it's just so finely made. Like whenever I apply this on my under eyes or any part of my face, it just feels like it's a very smooth surface. It just blurs out everything. It literally has that priming filter into it. I don't know how, but this powder is just bomb.com. I freaking love this powder. This is an amazing powder. If you want to try loose powders, definitely try this one first. Before you try the Maybelline Fit Me, you can definitely go for this. This is more affordable. You get 10 grams of product for around 250 rupees. That means 20 gram of product is 500 rupees, and the Maybelline one retails for 675. So yeah. The next thing will be SFR Color Pure Color Blusher. So this is how it looks like. So this one, so I have two SFR color blushes with me right over here. So these are the two shades I've got. This one is in the shade Naked Apricot, and this one is in the shade Coral Orange. This is how it looks like. The packaging is super duper cute. Like I got them because of the packaging. The packaging is super duper cute, and they have this magnetic kind of closure to it. And these just retail for 125 rupees. So these are affordable, plus the blushes are really good quality. I'll just show you, and these also have a full size mirror over here. So this is how this shade looks like. I'll just oh my god, you know what, the saddest part is I have broke this one. So this is how the shade Naked Apricot looks like. The Naked Apricot is more of a warm bronzy kind of tone. Like this is beautiful blush for Indian skin tones, and the pink one is more of a rusty orange kind of shade. It's a very beautiful that corally pink kind of shade, and these are really pigmented. Like if you want to do eyeshadows with them, you can definitely go ahead. I'll just show you the swatches of the blushers. These are amazingly pigmented. So these are the two blushers. The first one, this one is the coral orange, and this one is Naked Apricot, and these are just amazing. They blend amazingly. If you have applied too much, no problem, they just blend supremely well. I have, like, this blush had fallen down and I got this broken, and I am so, it's so painful. You guys know that when your makeup products break. I couldn't do anything about it. It just shattered all over the ground. So yeah. So the next thing I have been loving is not a makeup product, but it's a makeup applicator. So this is the Nykaa stippling brush, and this is how it looks like. It's an amazing stippling brush. This blends your products like a dream. This kind of gives you that airbrush kind of look. Oh my god, I just love this stippling brush. This is just so good quality. The handle is really sturdy. This one was for 600 or 650 rupees. I don't remember for sure, but yeah, the quality is amazing. Like the bristles are just so soft, and it blends your foundation, your powder contour, your cream contour, your every contour, every single thing. So you can just do your full face with this. Like apply primer with this, then apply more like your foundation, your concealer, your contour, your blusher, even your highlight. And this is an amazing all-in-one brush. If you're looking for an all-in-one brush, you can go ahead with this. Of course, you cannot do eyeshadows with a bigger brush, but you can do for full face of makeup with this brush. This is an amazing product. So the next thing I have been obsessing over is the Faces Canada eyebrow and mascara brush. So this is how the applicator looks like. It's really thin at the end, and it's really precise, which, you know, helps you to go into your eyebrows and draw those precise slopes. And this also had a spoolie at the end, like you can see, which is again very handy. And this one was really affordable. This one was, I guess, for 300 or 400 rupees. Yeah, around 300 or 400 rupees. And this is an amazing brush. The handle is really sturdy. It's not going to break. It's very like lightweight, plus it's sturdy. So if you're looking for a good one, just opt for the Faces Canada brush. So the next thing which I am absolutely again loving is a bronzer. So this is the Milani XL bronzer in the shade 01 Bronze Glow. This is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like from the back. Let me show you what's inside. There is a very beautiful sun kind of design. I had got this maybe a few months back, not few months back, around a year back maybe. So this is how the product looks like. So there is a kind of a lighter bronzer and kind of a deeper bronzer. So I always kind of mix these two and make my bronzer shade. This is how the bronzer looks like. This is an amazing, you know, it just gives that soft bronze kind of effect, like, you know, very beautiful effect. I just love this. And this also has that very beautiful kind of fragrance. It's not too harsh, but it's that very soft fragrance which doesn't linger around for long. Once you apply it, the fragrance just goes away. But I just freaking love the fragrance of this product, and this product is amazing. I haven't hit pan on this. There is a lot of product inside. Like you get around 12 grams of product, which is 0.42 oz of product. So there's a lot of product inside. You can just keep on using it, and it's never going to get over. And the next thing I have is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. So this is how it looks like. This one is in the shade Caramel Toffee, and this one this is how it looks like. This has a banana shade and a contourish shade. I don't know where I'm going to swatch. So here are the two shades. So this is a banana and this is the contouring shade, and these are so supremely pigmented. The banana shade is amazing for highlighting your under eyes, or if you want to just set your under eyes or face. It's an amazing finely milled powder. The contour powder is again great. This is just for 500 rupees, and you get such a huge pan. And I have huge like hit pan on both of these. Like over here, I have almost dug into it, and this one, I hope you can see, I have also hit pan over here. So and this one you get around net quantity 12.5 grams. So it's same as the Milani XL bronzer, but I had got this way before than Milani. So Yeah, so this is an amazing product. Like if you're looking for affordable, you want a powder as well as a contour, this is your girl, this is your best friend. Okay, the next thing which I've been loving is by Swiss Beauty. This is the Swiss Beauty cleansing makeup remover, and this is how it looks like. It's an amazing makeup remover. Like I have switched from micellar waters to this one. This is my holy grail product. Like I use only this for removing my makeup, and it does so easily. Like you just need to massage this on your face and wash it with water and it goes away. It's just so amazing, and it's literally very affordable. It's around 450 or 400 rupees, I guess. It's affordable. You get 150 ml of product. You just need this much, like 2 drops of the oil for your whole face, and your makeup is gone. You are quick, like you are spick and span, you can say. So this is an amazing product. This is in the shade this is in the variant 03. They have other two variants, a blue tequila, I guess, and a yellow one. So I got this one. I wanted to get the blue one, but it was out of stock, so I got this one. So the next product, I don't have it. Yeah, so the next product is the Pack Eyebrow Pomade. So this is how it looks like. This is in the shade 03 Walnut Wax. This is my exact shade, and that is what I have on my eyebrows right now. And this is an amazing product. I don't know why I was just smelling it, but this is an amazing product, and this is how it looks like. I have dug a lot into it, as you can see. This contains 6 grams of product, and this one retails for 625 rupees. This is quite expensive, but it is worth your money. It's an amazing eyebrow pomade, like eyebrow cream. This is not a pomade, this is a cream. So yeah, I have been loving this. The foundation, I don't have it right now, or like here right now. But I have it in my like closet. So the foundations which I've been loving is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I am not using the foundation right now in any of my makeup tutorials that I am just left with this much of that foundation, and that, like, I love that foundation freaking so much that I am not able to use it up anymore. Like I can't buy it right now because there's a lockdown. Like I cannot repurchase it, so I just don't want to finish it. So that's why it's just lying in my closet. The next two foundation, like I have two more foundations which I've been loving. One is the MAC Fix Fluid foundation in the shade NC42, and the Pack Studio Finish, I guess, yeah, the Pack Studio foundation in the shade 3.0. These two foundations are again amazing. So these two foundation, I have newly got these two foundations, so the bottles are almost full. But the Superstay, I can't use that. I like, if I use it, I have to use it with a heavy heart because I cannot get one more, as the lockdown is still going to persist. Who knows how many days is this lockdown going to persist. Okay, so yeah guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and please stay in your houses. Do makeup videos, do TikTok videos, do any kind of videos. Just stay in your house, and please don't go out, and please don't harm other people who are coming to help you. So yeah, I wish we all get through this pandemic, and yeah, let's wish for the best. Bye bye, take care.